In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shifts on Homebase. We will walk through creating a new shift from start to finish, so you can confidently build your schedule without missing anything. First, open Homebase. Once it loads, you should see the main dashboard for your workplace, with navigation options across the top or left side. Make sure you are logged into the correct location if your business has more than one, since schedules are separate for each site. Now go to Schedule. Click or tap the Schedule option in the menu. The screen should switch to a calendar-style view, usually laid out with days across the top and your team members listed down the side. If you see colored blocks already, those are existing shifts that have been created for your employees. Next, select the date or week you want to schedule. Look for the date picker or arrows near the top of the schedule page. You can move forward or backward by week until the correct dates appear. Confirm the day or week matches when you actually need the employee to work, since adding shifts to the wrong week is a very common beginner mistake. Once the right dates are visible, click the employee's name or an empty shift box. If the person already has shifts that week, you will see their row partly filled, and you can click directly in an open time slot on their row. If they do not have any shifts yet, click in the blank area next to their name on the correct day. A small window or panel should pop up to let you create the new shift. In that window, click Add Shift. This confirms you are creating a brand new shift rather than editing an existing one. After you click it, the shift form will appear with fields for time, break, roll, and notes. Now enter the shift details, starting with the start time. Set the time the employee should begin work. You can usually type the time or pick it from a drop-down. Make sure the start time matches your opening routine, for example, a little earlier if they need setup time. Next, set the end time. This is when the shift finishes. Double check that the end time is later than the start time and covers the entire period you need them on site. Many people like to zoom out on the schedule after entering times to be sure coverage overlaps correctly with other staff. If needed, add a break time. This tells Homebase how long the unpaid break will be during that shift. Some regions require specific break lengths based on shift length, so match whatever your workplace usually uses. Once you set a break, the paid hours for that shift will automatically adjust. After that, choose the role or location. This tells the system what job this person is doing during that shift, such as front counter or kitchen, or which store they are in. Picking the right role helps you later when you filter the schedule to see staffing by position. Then add shift notes if you want. This field is optional, but it is great for small instructions like training reminders or a specific task they must complete. These notes usually appear when the employee views their shift, so keep them short and clear. With everything filled out, click Save. The shift box will now appear on the schedule grid for that employee and day, showing the times and often the role. If something looks off, you can still click the shift again to edit it before publishing. Finally, click Publish to send the shift to employees. After publishing, Homebase will notify your team according to their notification settings, and the new shift will show in their apps or text alerts. You just learned how to create and publish a complete shift in Homebase, so please give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe if you want more quick Homebase tips.